Do you recommend starting with long-term investing or exploring trading strategies like swing trading or day trading?
So at the beginning of this channel 3 years ago, we would talk about the yin and yang, right? Like my long-term investments fuel my swing trades. My swing trades fuel my day trades. My day trades fuel my scalp trades, and then vice versa. My profit from my scalp trades fuel my day trades. The profits from my day trades fuel my swing trades. My swing trade profit fuels my long-term investing. So everything's a yin and yang, but if you're just starting, you want the most least stressful thing possible. So I would say buy and forget about it.
Okay. And honestly, that's been the best way to do it for me, at least. Throughout this entire time, people that I know that are into crypto as well, they've been taking way more risky approaches to crypto, and they have lost money. So I'm so glad that I just listened to Crypto Poppy. I just bought in hell, and we're looking good right now. So and it takes a long time, so that's why most people can't make it through a bear market like that. It seems like the bear market that we went through was the longest one so far.
It hasn't been, but the most recent one is the longest one.
Okay, fair enough.
And then the most recent bull market is the shortest one. You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay.
That's how you want to look at it.
Got it.